In my opinion, static typing is one of the most overrated features in programming language. I'm not saying that it's a bad thing. I'm not saying that it doesn't have value. I'm saying that it's overrated.
It can get very complicated. I would have an impression that someone, a person or a body, needs to keep or maintain the cohesiveness of the language, that it doesn't fall apart because of those different vectors, different people, these people pulling in this direction, these people pulling in this direction. And I would think that there might be a need to say, like, the direction is there.
What they have is that they have a bunch of Rails servers running in production. Requests are coming in. There is a spike. There are more requests coming in at the same time now. So they start a new instance. And then as soon as this instance is up, it starts serving a bunch of requests because they have a spike in traffic.
Right. And I'm wondering about the current trend with the AI-backed or augmented development, whether it would even make niche programming languages more niche because everyone converge on those most dominant.
Building a programming language is like kind of like a Jenga tower, in the sense like I can remove this block. It's not like you remove that one thing or you change that one thing, right? And now the whole thing is crooked. So when you write the Python code that represents a neural network, and then you run that code, what the thing does is that it traces the Python execution, which methods were called. It builds a graph. I don't think like functional programming is a useful distinction for a programming language to have today.
Yeah.
Right? Like it's not really saying much.